Strong, reliable, and built to last, that's not just a tagline, that is Eagle Carports. For nearly 30 years, Eagle Carports remains the standard in the metal building industry. Whether you need reliable protection for your vehicle, metal workshop, custom garages, whatever you want to cover, everything is manufactured right here in America, built to last and designed the right way. At Eagle, we use premium grade material. Our craftsmanship is like none other. Quality, innovation, and integrity. These have been the pillars of our business for nearly 3 decades. Come with me. Let me show you what sets us apart from our competition. Folks, the metal industry is booming right now. The one thing about the metal industry that can be quite confusing is what separates manufacturers from other manufacturers. What do some people make a priority that maybe others don't? At Eagle, safety, quality, and an overall 5-star experience is what we're after. As a dealer, you're speaking to your customer. One of the most important questions you could ask as a customer, and you're trying to find the right dealer to partner with, one for sure is you will want to know who your manufacturer is that you're doing business with. Research and development in this industry is absolutely a must. It's best for your purchasing decision, it's best for your family, it's best for your future. Make sure when you're making these choices, you do the right homework with Google ratings, Better Business Bureau ratings. Most common questions customers have to most dealers is, what's your lead time? What's your discounts? What's your price? All of those things are obviously important, but holding your manufacturers accountable is one of the most important things you can do as either a dealer or a customer. Does my manufacturer have installers who are insured? General liability insurance, workers' comp insurance. Are there specs for the materials standard? Are there welders? Do they have certifications? Folks, feel sure that Eagle Carports has checked all the boxes. After being in business for nearly 3 decades, we got you covered. Speaking of, your meal specifications, meal certs a lot of folks call. Every manufacturer should have a record of these on hand. No sense in them not. If they're not, why not? Are they going to share this information with you? I certainly would hope so. Because holding a standard is what we're all about here at Eagle Carports. Just to show you folks some of our tubing. This is clearly identified. On every piece of our tubing, we have, of course, Eagle Carports, the date, 14 gauge, HSLA. Most people in this industry do not know what that is because they don't use that. Grade 50 PSI, and it's 2.5 inch thick. G60 is our galvanized coating, and of course the PO number. Everything that we do is listed right here for you to see. At Eagle Carports, we believe in total transparency with our dealers and with our customers. With that being said, all of our price lists have all of our specs listed clearly for you to see. We're proud of what we do because we always build our carports and metal garages to code. We have the plans that come with them. Folks, there's a difference in this industry, and changing the industry is something that we're very used to doing. But the one thing that we want to make sure that we accomplish with this video is to say that we are here to do things the right way, the secure way, and to us, that's the only way. So whether you're wanting a metal garage, carport, RV cover, heck, even a batting cage, do it with a name you can trust. Do it with Eagle Carports.